Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Qudsaya fig. And as always, when I get on here and start talking about fruit that has names from another country, I apologize for my pronunciation. This one looks just about ripe, and we can see from the interior that it's going to be a dark red pulp. But I was talking about this in another recent video about how, we will sell produce at our local farmers market sometimes. And I think it would be a pretty hard sell to have this out on display for somebody that's never had figs. It just doesn't look very healthy. And maybe that's one reason, somebody commented recently on another video, one reason we don't see figs at the market is because of that. And also mostly we just see how figs can be processed into different types of foods rather than eaten fresh. My understanding is that Qudsaya is from Syria. And it is unique for us. This has always been the case where it's a little misshapen. I think one year we had a breba from this plant it was similar to that too. They're all they're not kind of a uniform shape. They're a little bit lumpy. But let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and just pull this off and we'll check it out. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open. You can see here it's already been nibbled on by potato bugs or whatever. I don't know what was eaten on it, but I think we'll go ahead and cut it open and see how it looks. Yeah, that looks exactly like the ones we've had previously. It's got this really interesting interior, and let me change my view here so we can get a better light on it. Yeah, a lot of the figs, the color interior will either be red or kind of a light brown or a yellow color, but this Qudsaya is definitely different. It's got this kind of pink interior that ranges out to purple before it gets to the exterior there. Very interesting. And it's almost triangular in shape when you cut it open. It's just not the same as a lot of the other figs. It's definitely unique. Let's go ahead and have a taste. It's a good fig. Not as sweet as some others, but it's just got like 100% fig flavor to it. That's a good one. This is Qudsaya fig. It's ripens in the middle of our season. It's got a lot of character in terms of its exterior. It doesn't have a uniform shape for us, and it is also has the most interesting color of any of the fig varieties that I've seen. It's got kind of a two-tone pastel color to it. That's pretty neat.